What's going on, Bam Fam? I am back in South Carolina. Unfortunately, it is raining and there's some unforeseen circumstances, so I can't go get my bike today. Not gonna be able to get it done until Tuesday. So, what I am going to do is post up a video of a ride that Joey and I took around one of the lakes here in South Carolina not too long ago. So why don't y'all kick back and enjoy. Hopefully by Wednesday I'll be able to get that video out so I can hook y'all up with the surprise part 2.
Bam, bam. There's Joey. We, instead of doing the Wateree loop, we're gonna do the Lake Marion loop. So that'll be, oh, random chimney out in the middle of the nowheres. We are currently riding behind a cop, so we're trying not to do too much hooligan shit. My boy Joey's a Clemson fan, even though he's got Texas A&M colored bike. I'm just saying, Giga Maggies. Love you, Joey. I don't hate cops. I just don't like cops whenever I'm on my motorcycle, because then I can't do the riding that I want to do. That's still legal. It's just frowned upon. Yeah. Copper gonna get him some.
You boys like Mexico? Yeah!
I'm gonna stand up on my passenger pegs going over the bridge here. Whee! Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Woo! I love it. What up, fam? Hey! Woo! Oh. Love it. Love standing up on the passenger pegs. It's so fun. Get to really get out in the wind, lean forward into it. Stretch the old legs out. It's great. Oh yeah. Look at that sexy man. Oh yeah. Yeah, Santee State Park. We tried to ride through here back when, I want to say back in April, May? Yeah, right after they shut down all the state parks. We literally were sitting by the entrance of the state park, just not doing anything, minding our own business. And the park rangers came up and was like, y'all need to leave. But the state park was closed. Like, they had the road blocked off and everything, so there was no way we were getting in. But just because we were sitting at the entrance to the state park, I don't know, apparently it was a big deal. They rolled up. It was funny too, because like it was this tiny little female, and she kind of rolls up and she looked pretty timid getting out of the pickup, like, oh god, these dirty bikers, they're gonna get mad at me and yell at me, or you know, they're gonna hurt me because I'm telling them to leave or whatever. At least that's what it seemed like. And you know, she got out and she's like kind of hiding behind her pickup a little bit. She's like, y'all aren't supposed to be here. We're like, oh, you know, sorry, we thought just sitting outside the state park would be fine. But she's like, no, nobody's allowed to be, you know, here. So if y'all can just kind of turn your bikes around and go. We're like, all right, understandable. See you later. No big deal. She was super nice about it, but you could tell she was a little bit nervous. I mean, maybe she was a little bit nervous for like the whole COVID thing. She didn't want to get COVID, but it was just kind of funny for, you know, we were sitting right there and they had the road blocked off right here. I love riding through state parks. You got the canopy of trees over top. It's beautiful. You think they'd get upset if we rolled our bikes onto the dock?
Yeah. I don't know if the dock can handle all that.
You're probably right. This is where we're going to end the video, stuck behind traffic. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what next you want to see. Obviously, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm just a little peon who enjoys making motorcycle related content and fitness related content and posting it on YouTube. Motorcycles! Woo! Love it. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff. And I will catch you guys in the next one.